Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. Now this is called Monsters Aria Free. This is air conducting sports Bluetooth headphones. I have to mention that this is waterproof. It is IPX5, and on top of that it is really good with something like sweat proof and some water not going into the pool. And on top of that, this is really good when you want to listen to some music and doing some sports not gonna fall because the way that has been designed. And on top of that, this is very nice looking. It has a diamond shape to it. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this user manual. As you can see, it is in different languages. Once you go through it, it will be explaining everything that you need to know on how you can charge it, what the product review is, also our power on and off, pairing, go into music, volume control, reset, pair list. Everything is available inside of this little manual. It comes with another, so there are some little sensors and also start guide, which is a really cool thing. Again, when you open it, shows you how everything is set up, even the charging ports, what each of those little means. When you go next is pairing, controls on all the buttons. And then when you go next is the reset and also wear, how you're going to be able to wear it. But once you go to the end part of it, you have a nice QR code that you can scan it through your phone, and you will learn more about the actual headphones on how you will be able to play with it. There's another little paper which is in a different languages once you open it, but it is just some documentation that you need for this headphones. It also comes with this little charging wire. You can see it's USB type A. On the other side, just connectors, so that way you can charge it. And once we get to it, we will show you how you can connect and charge your headphones. Alright, so here is the actual headphone. This really looks nice because it has that diamond shape to it on both sides. Now when you put it on, it looks really cool. I believe it's good for girls, but man can wear it too. Here you go, let's just go through it. So this part is nicely done. Yes, I'm just hitting it to the table, but it's really nice because this is one fit all. And once you put it on, this goes above your ear and this will sit inside of your ear itself. So let's just go through and check it out to see how this is designed. If you look really closely, it has their name written right on the top. And there you go, you can see that it's written really nicely on the top. Let's just go around. There's nothing here. And then there is a little spot. So this is going to be your mic, because when you move it, this is the speaker. And this part will be sitting around your ear. So this way it doesn't move back and forth once you put it on. Now when you go on this side, there's nothing. Really nothing around it. But it's really nicely designed. This is one side, and once you go to the other side, it has a lot of connections on this one. So this is the main part. You can see that there is some sensors, and also one over here. There's one right there that looks like a mic, but once you go down, here's another mic, same thing on this side. But once you flip it in the back, you have the actual speaker, and then that's how you're going to listen to your music or when you're talking on the phone. The charging dock is right over here, and then they have that little rubber so that way it sits on your ear properly. When you look on the top, you have the two buttons, and this is the one that will reset, that will start and everything, and this one also going to follow, and we will show you on the video how that's actually done. And going around, there's nothing else there except their name is written really nicely on the top again. Same thing on this side. This is the actual earphones. This is how it's really done, and when you put it down, it looks really slick. By the way, it looks really nice. This is going to take us to the next level. Alright, so it's time now to get this headphones connected with our phone itself. In order to process that, let's just get this first connected. So for that, we're going to go to our Bluetooth and we're going to wait for it to come up. It is going to click on scan, and we have to turn this on. So there's a little button for it, and we will hold it for a couple of seconds for the light to start blinking. There you go. And we have to look for the name that will come up. And here you go, you can see it in the bottom. Once it comes up, just click on it. Takes a couple of seconds. It gives you a little pop-up. You have to click on pair. It takes a few seconds, and on the top you can see the volume already showed up, and now it says that it is connected and it is 100%. Now if you want to click on this little wheel, you can see that taking calls and audio is the one that is connected with this, and on top of that the headphone device type, it says it there. That means now it is totally paired. So now let's go through and check it out to see how this will work with the gestures. So here you go, this is one of our video. Now there is no connection when you press anywhere on these headphones itself here, but there's buttons on the top. So if I have to click on it, it will play. So click again, it pauses, click again, it plays. You see that how fast and effective that is to play with. I really like that. That's way faster than any other headphones that I played with. So that's one thing that I really enjoy playing with this. So testing wise, this is perfect. Now, one more thing is if I have to click on it to see if it is changing the actual, yes, so it changed the whole video quickly. That is perfect. That's another thing that we wanted to play with. Now let's go through and do some sound tests to see exactly when you're taking call, how good it will sound from this. So for that, we're going to just record our voice on this phone itself using this, putting on our head. All right, so here's a test. We want to see how good this will pick up our sound from the earbuds that I'm wearing right now. And let's see how it will sound when we start. So there's going to be a little indentation that will tell you when the sound starts or when the recording starts. So let's go next. Here we go. This is when we start recording. So the sound right now is coming directly from the earbuds, or in this case, headphones. So I hope that it sounds really good because I cannot hear anything else. And when I tried it for very first time, it didn't really work out that great. So I'm doing this one more time. And here you go. This is how it really sounds. And now we can stop it because if I can go higher and higher on my sound, this is how it will be. But if I have to talk a little bit less noisy, this is how it will also become. All right, so let's stop it. And now the sound is back from this camera right over here. So this is how it really sounded. When you are doing sports and you want to listen to music, this will work perfectly for you. Again, the bass part is 6 out of 10 for me when I'm doing sports and I'm listening to it. But when you want to just sit and hear some music, yes, it will be really good. Again, it's really loud. But I have to mention that other people around you can also listen to that music because this is air conducting earpiece. So that means it's not going to go inside of your ear. It's just going to be sitting outside. And that is why. Or when you're talking on a phone, you have a button, physical button to really press in order to pick up a call or hang up a call or stop your music. And everything has a real button, not a touch, so you do not have to make any kind of mistakes. It's really standing out for me. Except that all the links will be available in the bottom where you can order it from. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctext.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.